Jelly levels? On point. Choose acidity? Okay. Welcome to the Great Harvesting Party! Wow, what a party. And you'll start by reciting a poem on behalf of all the Tutti Frutti. Yeah!
The peaches grow, the grapefruit blooms, the apple and raspberry we have to harvest so that a smoothie we can ingest.
Great, Angie!
I've been working the poem the whole week.
Magic Tears! Jelly! Let's welcome the Valley Babies who painted this amazing mural for Tutti Frutti Bay!
We painted with squished fruits. That's why it's so colorful.
Please applaud the Valley Babies!
Hip, 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 fantasy!
And now, this year, the fantasy are on fire! Let's get the party started!
Mango and peach, a rainbow full of fruits, a flavorful kiss. Oh, 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 I can't stop. I dance all day long to the harvest song. I can't stop dancing, my feet are going crazy. My little waist can't stop spinning. I can't stop dancing, my feet are going crazy. My little waist can't stop spinning. Let's dance, babies! Woo!
Whoa! Uh-oh. Due to the weather conditions, we will have to stop the party and reschedule for next week. Well, another night without surprises.
I can't stop dancing. My feet are
Wow,
going crazy.
that's a great way to start the day. See you later, babies. Looks like they had a blast yesterday.
Cleaning done.
Huh? Wait, is nobody taking care of the fruits today?
We can't stop dancing. The concert was canceled due to the storm.
And since then, we haven't been able to get that song out of our heads. And who's gonna harvest the fruit? We have to find a solution. Where will the fantasy be? Tonight is the concert. Pete, we have to find a way to get that song out of their heads. Oh, what if I can think of an even catchier song? Pete, bring my guitar. I think I have an idea.
Uh-oh, it is as Pia told us. Nobody has harvested a single fruit this week. It's the curse of the interrupted song. That terrible storm stopped that beautiful song. Now these poor babies will keep on dancing until dawn. Do you mean that they won't be able to get the song out of their heads? Until they don't listen to the end? I'm afraid that's true. Now, what are we going to do?
Tonight, we will sing again. And this time, we will sing till the end.
Yes! And you'll be able to harvest the fruit again.
And tonight, once again, let's dance!
Let's dance, babies! Yeah! All right! And my little waist can finally get some rest. That's it. We're done. Could you please stop dancing?
Yeah.
This situation can't keep advancing. Huh? I can't think of another song that isn't the song of the Fruity Rock. Rock, rock, a fruity rock. Rock, rock, a fruity rock. Forget about the crazy song and feel the rhythm of the Fruity Rock. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
It seems like you're done dancing that catchy song. Yes, we made it.
It's been an amazing night.
Bye, Pia.
See you.
Rock and roll.
Na 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 na. Rock, rock, fruity
No,
rock.
you can't get that song out of your heads.
No, we're joking.
Oh, I almost fainted.
Cry babies, magic tears. The world of friendship and magic adventure.
The lake's liquid is perfect to make perfumes. Is it going to take long? Not at all. I'll just get some liquid in my jar and that's it. Not this one. Not this one. We'll never finish. My jar! Oh! We'll help you get it back. It's gonna take forever.
Studying the sun is exciting. The sun keeps on shining.
Right. Whoa, what is that? Can you see it? We have something to do now.
Oh no, it's moving away.
Luckily, I have a solution. Yes, I thought so. It's in the middle of the lake. Foxy, draw a boat and use your powers.
Yes.
Haha. Yeah! Now we can go get the jar. Wow, great idea. Mel, you're not smiling. Don't you think it's a good idea? Well, no, she doesn't think it's a good idea. The jar is too far away and the boat does not look safe. She's right.
Yes, true.
Do you know how to overcome your fears? Go get the jar. You'll see nothing bad will happen. But I don't know how to swim. Don't worry. You won't have to swim. Just paddle. Oh, why do I have to be here? Huh? Oh, I'm sinking.
Look up. Hop, hop.
The jar. I can go back now. Where's the other paddle? Just one. Hello? Help! I'm trapped. Ah! Ah! Mel's calling us. She's too far away. I can't read her mind.
Easy, everyone. She's just saying she found the jar, right? But I don't think it's just that. Let's see.
Why is she paddling in circles?
Is it because I drew only one paddle?
Oh no! Mel can't return. She'll live in the lake forever. And it's all my fault. Think, Ella, think. I have an idea. Foxy, draw a rope.
Huh?
Oops. I know, a giant fishing rod.
Are you sure?
Yes. Oh?
Wow.
Good. No, don't even think about it. Think, Ella, think. That's it. I have another idea. Let's empty the lake. I'm not feeling okay. My belly. Go on. We're almost done. Just a few 1,000 million liters of liquid left.
We just can't.
Let's see. Oh, idea. No, it won't work. What about... No.
Huh?
No. No, I can't think of anything. I'm sorry, Mel. I'm so sorry I was so stubborn.
Magic tears! Jelly!
What? Ooh, that's it. We can create a path. Come on, babies.
Whoa!
Let's go! Use the fruits to reach the shore. What? He's not expecting me to use the fruits to reach the shore, is he?
Hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Up, wee!
You can do it! Ha! 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 Ah! Ha! 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 Yes!
Yeah!
Thanks for rescuing me. Ella, I think I'm not scared anymore. By the way, lady, look what I brought you. The perfect fruit to make a perfume.
Yeppa, let's see. Oh, yes. Can I?
Me too. I want some. Hey, you guys drank it all. Who's going back for more? Hello? part 1.
These cupcakes are going to be delicious. Oof, it's hot. Oh, are you sick? You won't be able to go on vacation. Of course I'm going. It's just because it's hot. The oven is working to the maximum. Huh? Ooh, it's true. You're healthy as a strawberry. Oh, I still don't have plans for a vacation. You can come with me to Fantasy World. Can you hand me the strawberries? Oops. These were delicious. Have you eaten, tons of strawberries? Sorry. Cutie, please go get more strawberries from the woods. I'd better turn off the oven for a while. Wow, those are huge. And delicious. Those are the special fruits the fantasy eat. My cupcakes are going to be the best in the whole world.
That smell can't be real.
I need to try it.
Wow!
Auntie, who's that with you?
This is my cousin Lizzie, and she has come to spend some time with us.
Well, you are very lucky. I have just baked some cupcakes.
Let's go!
Welcome. Here, one for each.
These are so yummy.
It's because I use special strawberries, like the ones the fantasy eat. It makes sense.
Special strawberries? I've never seen those before.
I want some of those strawberries.
And me. And me.
Me too.
I'll stay. I have some things to do.
I'll join you, but just for a while. I have to go on vacation to the fantasy world. Join us, Lizzie.
Are we there yet?
It smells like strawberries and melon. Wow!
And orange, too.
This place is a dream. Wow! A paradise.
Watch it, lady.
Smells fruity.
Wow! There's jam. This is a new world. This is awesome.
Wow! That's a huge banana. A snack.
The best banana in the universe.
Amazing. It tastes better than it smells.
I will never get tired of eating fruits.
The best vacation ever. Oh, I was supposed to join Jessie. Wait, what is she doing? She must have forgotten about us.
I will never learn how to make pretzels with my hands.
Jessie must be having a lot of fun.
5 more minutes.
Are you friends or enemies?
Aloha.
These are nice and smell like fruit. Huh? Where are you taking us?
Huh? Wait! Lady! We need to tell the others and rescue the babies from those little monsters. Why did they bring us here? You ate the whole harvest. Uh-oh.
Cry babies, magic tears. The world
You ate the whole harvest.
Uh-oh.
Welcome to Tutti Frutti Bay. Yeah!
Oh. Discovering Tutti Frutti Bay, Part 2. Ooh, you look perfect for a picture.
Help! They took the babies.
What happened, lady?
We were eating gigantic fruit that smelled delicious, but all of a sudden, we saw little colorful monsters speaking a strange language and
Gigantic fruits? Colorful monsters? Strange language? I want to rescue the babies. GPS is on. Me too. Count on me.
we went by a jam jar and everything smelled delicious.
Oh, smells so good. Hashtag fruits smell good.
Wow! Don't move. The little monsters might be anywhere. It was this way. No. This way.
Huh?
Wow! Awesome!
Huh? What was that? It's them! Strange babies are making them carry the fruit. Ooh! What a delicious orange juice.
They're having a bad time. They're giving them orders.
We have to rescue them.
And if we get caught,
I know. We'll wear disguise.
I can't smell my perfume with so much fruit scent. Babies, look, I have my costume.
I love your look. It smells delicious. Rim found a trace.
I control the tasty factory. I'll make 100 grapefruit gummy candies. Oh no, I said it for 1,000,000 gummy candies. We'll have to eat them. Ow! Hey, who are you? What's a mirror doing here? Ah!
I knew it. There are more babies.
This is the end.
Don't worry, they're our friends.
We thought that you had been kidnapped.
It feels so good to be all together.
What a wonderful tear.
Magic tears! Jelly!
It's a lie. Careful.
Don't worry. They're a bit naughty, but they're not dangerous. The jellies are the foundation of our world. Without them, we wouldn't have fruits so big and juicy.
Wow.
It looks like they want to show us Tutti Frutti Bay. We squeeze the fruit in our tasty factory, and it goes to our lake. And the juice will have different colors depending on which fruit it is. Whoa! And now the tasty factory. This is the mixing pool. What a rhythm! Hey, those are some pretty molds.
I love them.
Hi, I'm Angie. In this zone, you may drink smoothies, milkshakes.
Do you have banana with melon and orange?
Of course. If you can imagine it, then you can mix it.
It's a Tutti Frutti Bay.
I knew it! It's delicious!
This is definitely the best vacation of my life.
I finally found you!
You already know about Tutti Frutti Bay.
Yup, we know all the corners of the world. And thanks to the spyglass, we guard and take care of them.
So, are there other cool corners like this?
Of course! And each one has its own special magic tier.
And can you take us there?
It's better that you discover them little by little.
Besides that, you first have to show me how to make pretzels with your hands.
Wow.
Cry babies, magic tears. The world
be a superhero and help everyone.
You do not need powers in order to help people. You can be a superhero as well. Hold on tight, Candy.
Me? A superhero? Freeze, villains! Bat Baby is here to protect Baby Bottle Valley. Come on, cooperate with me. I will save you, Winnie! Ouch! This would never happen to Bat Baby. Our mission is to protect all babies. You'll be my secret sidekick. You will be Super Winnie! We are the Valley Superheroes. Do you need us to stop any bad guys?
Well, not really.
Are you sure? Any bad guys bothering you today? Any alien invasion?
Not really. I have not even seen a fly. See you later. I had to give Kitty a bath.
Do not worry. Superheroes do not give up easily. Don't you need a couple of superheroes?
No, sorry.
Superheroes to the rescue!
No!
Selfie with the loco superhero? This is boring.
Help! Please! I need help!
Bat Baby to the rescue! And his sidekick.
Thank you very much. Could you help me with this puzzle?
Have a nice day, citizen. You can't just be a superhero like this. These aren't real problems, Winnie. That's it. We're going to create some problems. Winnie, watch.
How could I forget the pacifier? What's wrong with me? I cannot find the golden pacifier.
Do not panic. Bat Baby will find it with his mental powers. I can feel it around here. Found it.
Thank you, Bat Baby. You're my hero.
Stuck. Bat Baby will open it with his super strength. 1, I'm coming. 2, and 3.
Thank you, Bat Baby. And Bat Baby helped Crystal open the door. And Candy cannot find my skateboard.
Bat Baby to the rescue!
Thank you, Bat Baby.
Wow, that was
How come there are so many problems lately?
Stay there. Bat Baby will jump with these springs and rescue you. And you will get a cookie.
Hey! You're busted. You have been causing all those problems.
Me? No. I was just going to rescue him. Right, Needy? Needy! I'm not Bat Baby. And now Natty's in danger because of me. Hi! Ha! Bat wings! Belly!
That was close. You just made a mess. How could you think of doing all those dangerous things?
I just wanted to be a superhero.
But you were a superhero today. You just say, Nady, you're all superheroes. Magic tears!
Super Wandy! And Super Winnie!
Wow.
Cry babies,
agile. You'll see. Oh, it's so cute. At home, she does it.
Hey, girls. How are your pets?
Well, so-so.
We saw you from above. Well, Dee Dee saw you and she told us everything. Hi, Dee Dee! And we came down to help you because our pets are very agile. You'll see.
Okay, go. At the count of 3, 1, 2, Fantasy Tower! No! Not like that!
Now we're going to get strong and agile. And for that, we need to train hard, have discipline, and maintain order. Hey, wait!
Hey, careful! Not like that! It's a training course!
Cut it out and let's train. Like I was saying, we need to be consistent. Let's start with the rolling logs. Come, Brew, go ahead. Very good. Very good. Ooh, very bad.
Go, Kitty. You can do it! Champion, show them you're the best pet in the world!
Second trial, the great dartboard.
Ready, Lenny? Go! Oh, sorry. Our turn. Come on. You're the best.
Third trial, the giant balls.
Come on, Nady. You can do it. Come on, Kitty. Show them all that you're the greatest pet in the world. Come on, Kitty. Well done, Kitty.
And let's not forget the crazy meal.
Come on, you can do it.
Faster. No, not like that. Let's go.
Oh, what a letdown.
Come on, Kitty. Let's go for it.
Have you seen?
No!
Let time stop.
Let time continue. Don't you think we overdid it?
I think so. I'm sorry, Kitty. Are you okay?
Oh.
We're very sorry. Magic tear! Wow! So cool! That's amazing!
Whoa! Wow! And now it's your turn. I haven't forgotten about you. Get to training.
Wow!
Crybabies, magic tears. The world of friendship and magic adventures. Crybabies.
Trapped in a game.
Yes! Bonus! If I win, I will get the winged heart. Come on, let me try. Not like that. Jump, jump, now.
You're so annoying. And also, the tablet is mine.
Well, okay, whatever. But don't come asking me how to get that winged heart later. Hello, Lena. What's wrong with Dreamy?
I don't know. She's going to the fantasy mountain.
Let's go find her.
Okay, let's go.
A little step here, a little step there, and the fantasy portal will reveal itself.
I will jump higher than a jet. Using the stairway, I won't regret. And the winged heart I will get.
No, turn the steering wheel! Turn the steering wheel. Wait, she might fall asleep before parking correctly. Yes, tell me, Lenny. Look, this is funny. Lena made a video game with her as the main character.
No, it's actually me. Me!
This is crazy. We can even hear her. How did she do that?
I don't know, but I'm trapped in here and I cannot move.
How do you play?
Hey, controls are here. I'm moving. I mean, you're moving me.
Oh, is that you? It is you!
Whoa! You have to move me. There's no other way.
I got you.
Hit the jump button.
This is hard. Is this a jump button?
No!
Aw.
Wow! The winged heart! Maybe it's the only way out!
You can count on me.
Wow!
Hey!
Hey! Watch it! I only have 2 lives left!
Oh, gosh.
Stop! I'm getting tired!
Video games never get tired.
Ah! Jump! Jump!
Aren't you tired?
Jump!
I want to play.
Well,
You have to wait. It was you who didn't let me play.
I only have 1 life left!
Oh, it's your turn. No, you play.
Only Dreamy can help me now! Where's Dreamy?
Here. What's going on? Somebody needs me?
Dreamy, you have to help me! You're the only one who's better than me at this game!
Okay. I've seen everything from Fantasy Mountain. But wasn't it you who said the tablet was yours and you were the only one who could play?
Yes, sorry. Everything belongs to everybody here. Now please help me.
Okay. Let the number 1 handle this. Oh! Wow!
Whoa!
Let's go, Dreamy! Go, Lena!
Go, Dreamy! Go, Dreamy! Yay! What's wrong?
The tablet's not working. It's blocked. It's our fault.
Do something!
Wait, how did you say that you ended up in there?
Well, I got into a portal without noticing while I was saying, I will jump higher than a jet.
Higher than a jet.
Using a stairway.
Using the stairway.
How was it? Oh, yes, right. And the winged heart I will get.
And the winged heart I will get.
Yes, look.
Hey, I can't move.
Wow, you had a great idea. Come on, Dreamy. We're almost there.
Wow, this is exciting.
Let's do it together. Let's get the winged heart. Dreamy, you're still inside the video game. Thank you, Dreamy. I would have never made it without you. Magic cheers! Yay! You're the best player.
It was easy. I learned from the best.
Yeah!
Look, a video game.
Cry babies, magic tears. The world
Time to go to bed. And you keep an eye open. We don't want the same thing to happen like last night. Oh, not again! Cutie, protect me! Huh? Help! What's happening, Connie? There's a monster under my bed! Seriously! Come on, Connie. It's always the same. Okay, whose turn is it?
I stayed yesterday. It's Missy's turn.
I have a lot to do tomorrow. I need to sleep. Lori, you go.
Okay, coming. Great. Now it's my turn. I won't be able to sleep tonight. Just my luck. It's always the same. The only monstrous thing here is this cupcake. Blech.
Maybe the monster left it?
The monster is only part of your imagination. Let's sleep.
Thanks, Lori, for staying with me.
You're welcome. Go to sleep. Connie, this can't continue like this. You'll spend the night alone.
But the monster...
Relax. What you need to do is count sheep.
And do something that you like a lot, like cupcakes. And laugh a lot. I'll make cupcakes. And if there are a lot of monsters...
Connie, a fantasy came. They know how to take the fear away.
Seriously? How? With a magical helmet. Wow! A fantasy helmet!
Wow!
It's not a regular helmet. It's a magical object that puts bravery on whoever wears it.
Hey, Connie, it looks good on you.
I see you braver.
Yeah, you look like a real fantasy. But it's not real magic, right?
No, but look how happy she is.
Let's see if I can finally sleep. Otherwise, the pets will do the job.
Oh no! One sheep, two sheep. I have to make cupcakes. 100 sheep, 1,000 sheep. The helmet! You won't get me. What is all the noise?
Such a disaster! But what are you doing?
With Suzu the smart one. And thanks to this little magical helmet, the shadows are gone. We have to tell you something, Cotty. The helmet doesn't have powers. You have defeated your fears alone.
Oh,
Really? By myself? That means that I'm very brave. And when you're brave, the imaginary monsters disappear. Thanks for believing in me.
wow.
So cool. Wow. I'm getting sleepy. Wow. Monsters! But monsters don't exist. But didn't you say that it was fake?
Just in case,
I
give it to me.
Hey, how do you think they spend the night? Hey, weren't you going to help me? Don't run. Count sheep or something.
Are you sure we're safe here?
I told you that monsters don't exist. Wow.
Crybabies, magic tears. The world of friendship and magic adventures. Crybabies.
the biggest joke. Look what I found in the river yesterday. And it's not the first time. They have to be more careful. That's it. Plastic is very bad for the rivers. It can't be possible that they're getting the water dirty. Let's go and teach the babies of the valley a lesson. Let's paint the water with colors. Aren't we overdoing this? It's just for a little bit. Let's go up and look at their faces through the spyglass. Okay, but a quick joke. It's gonna be fun. 3 skips! We won! Move and look. Mine are better. My turn. Ready for my new invention? The flying stone. Careful! No! What did you do, Missy? Nothing. Then why is the water violet? And the house's bubbles are violet. Let's go and see a pacifier fountain. #violet, #water. Water that tastes like ice cream? Something is wrong with our world. We had to ask for help from the fantasy. Winged heart. I want to go to the other side. A little step here, a little step there, and the fantasy portal will reveal itself. Where is everybody? Let me see. There is Lala. Poor Katie. And look, her face is clueless. I love the joke of coloring the water. The fantasies did it. They colored the water, and they're looking at us through the spying glass, laughing at us. Very lucky, making fun of us. We'll do the same. Ah! Hello. Connie's making little cakes. Come to the valley. I want some. Hey, save one for me. I can't fly. Where are you going? Cupcakes at Connie's house. Now it's our turn to look. Let's see who had the last laugh. Whoa! They just fell on the first one. Let's see. I'm sure she's telling. Orange is my favorite. It goes with the color of my eyes. They fell on the second trap. Of course. Although I prefer to look like a wild berry. They caught us. Look, that's enough. You have stained us with colors. You have colored our water. It's just a joke. The color will go away. It was just to teach you a lesson. The other day we found a plastic bottle in the river, and that's not right. Our water is important to our world. It needs extra care. This is a responsibility we all share. Well, it was a horrible joke. And we didn't toss that bottle. Well, someone tossed it. Ugh, the bottle again? We said no. I said yes. That's my bottle. Thanks for finding it. The wind blew it away the other day. By the way, what are you celebrating? What are we celebrating? Oh! The Day of the Colors. Okay. Sorry. To be honest, we overdid it a little bit. But in the end, the joke was a funny hit. Fantasy Magic Tear! Wow, how pretty! Huh? Beautiful! Wow! Can someone explain to me what happened? donation will be accepted, but my butt has been affected. I need a huge favor. Can I borrow your tiara? I really need something spectacular. Please, please. Okay, the tiara you will be borrowing. But stop it, this is very annoying. All the babies will be surprised with my look this year. But there is a must. No matter what, the tiara cannot get lost. Do not worry, I will take care of it. Wow, this is a huge pineapple.
Do you like my tropical crown? Don't even think about it. I borrowed it from the fantasies. It's from a special wood. I will look even better than Candy.
I don't think so.
Wow.
Can I wear it for a picture? And can I wear it to see if I can guess stuff?
I would like to see if it suits me.
No, no, and no. I have to take care of it. It is very valuable. See you tomorrow on my party. It is everyone's party. Rest well, my beautiful tiara. We have to look amazing tomorrow. Woohoo! Today's the day. Oh no! The tiara. No! The tiara was there. It was safe. It is true, Tina. I give you my word. Without the tiara, the ball does not work. Tina cannot rhyme anymore. I do not have powers without the tiara. Who took it? Give it back to me. You were jealous because I had the tiara. Cammy, Tina and I need your help. You were away on a trip, so we're positive it wasn't you. Hey, do not blame it on me. I was kidding with the fantasy.
Perfect. Every baby from the winged neighborhood is suspicious. Except for Patty. Please exit the robbery scene.
Who could have done this?
Don't look at me.
Tina, you will help me. First, we need to carefully check the robbery scene. A pair of glasses, a lace, a charger. Aha! What is this?
Candy stuff.
Now let's use the fingerprint powder. I have 3 suspects. Let's see. We have 3 babies who had reasons to steal the tiara.
And can I wear it to see if I can guess stuff?
You! Since Candy didn't give it to you, you decided to take it.
I didn't steal it.
Then how come your sunglasses are in the robbery scene?
Well, yes, I took the tiara, but I just wanted to try it on. It was hard to open the safe.
Huh?
And when I tried it on and realized it did not look good on me, I just returned it.
Then it was Lena. That is why we found your charger there.
It wasn't me. When I arrived, the safe was already open. And I just took some pictures for my followers. Oh. I left it.
So the only baby who could have stolen it is...
I would like to see if it suits me.
Sasha!
I already have my pineapple crown. Oh, where?
Then how can you explain that this was found at the robbery scene?
I used it on presents. Anyone can have one of those.
Sure. Then how come you were so nervous?
No, I didn't. My crown!
Ah! Don't run. Let's get the thief.
I was just running to save my pineapple crown.
Nadine! The tiara! Come here! Now I get it. Those pet footprints.
Oops, how could I have missed it?
I'm sorry, Sasha. You could have never done something like that.
It's okay. In the end, it wasn't Candy who gave us a surprise, but her pet did.
Magic tears! Wow!
Amazing!
Fantastic!
Long live the Wing Neighborhood celebration.
That crazy confusion made our day. Thank God in the end, everything was okay.